Happening today, it's move-in day for Wright State University students as thousands are returning to campus.
This is the 2020 fall move-in for Wright State University. Today and tomorrow we're moving in the freshman class.
Your best bet might be this one.
Saturday and Sunday we're moving in all the returning students.
I'm super excited. I'm also nervous for obvious reasons, but very excited to meet everyone.
You're gonna go right around this bend?
A lot different this year. We are having to accommodate social distancing and all kinds of other safety measures to make sure when the students come in today, they have a safe trip and get settled for fall.
Challenging day as a dad. You know, you want your child to go out and grow wings, but also it's tough to see them leave the nest, leave the house.
I guess I was just looking for all the golf carts. Like last year, it was like, woo, we rode up and it was like, but you got to stay safe, so.
These are Boston Hall residents that are coming through.
People who've seen move-in day in the past are used to golf carts and a lot of cars and all kinds of happy chaos. This year, everything's by appointment, very careful, very well organized. Once you get that bag, you drive down to the community where you live. You pull up close to the buildings, you unload your car, take it in, but once you get settled, we're going to ask you to move that car out of that area so the folks behind you can get settled, and then you can unpack and get the room ready for the school year.
It is still a happy time. I'm still excited to see my residents and be able to talk to them in the car. I'm glad that we were able to still find a way to communicate and be able to see each other in person.
I hope I can find my loved one over here, so we'll see.
We met in college, so our freshman year, and we've been together ever since. So definitely, if it's possible, maybe to meet his wife and start later down the line. But a lot of amazing things from it. Just take advantage of all the opportunities that being on campus and having great faculty and leadership can bring.
It's the beginning of a new season. Obviously, there's a lot of challenges this year, and we're getting ready for them. We're going to make this the safest opportunity we can for students here at Wright State so we can get through the fall semester.
I have 4 visible spots.
Give people the on-campus college experience they want and get them on with their lives.